Here's a 2014 Fiat 500c. Style is through the roof on this lovely 500c. Put the top down and live it up. It's well equipped with the features you need: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated sports seats, rear parking sensors, multi-function steering wheel, air conditioning, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power convertible roof, sports suspension, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver calls the 500c super cute and super chic. So whether you call it a cabrio, a convertible, or Giuseppe, this little Italian should have no problem finding its share of buyers. Fiat, an Italian feast for the eyes. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.